Hello students, on the last day of our class we have completed 3 questions. Now today we are going to solve next questions. Question number 4. Sohan deposits rupees 3000 in his bank account and withdraws rupees 1355 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative number, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. First, let us understand the question. Sohan deposited rupees 3000 in his bank account. Deposited means he submitted 3000 in this bank and withdraws rupees 1355 from it. After submitting or after depositing rupees 3000 in the bank, he taken how many rupees? 1355. Withdrawal means he has taken or from his account, from his money, how much he has deposited. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, the amount which he has taken or withdrawal, that account we have to represent it by a which integer? Negative integer. Then how will you represent the amount deposited? So we have to see, if we represent withdrawal of amount by negative integer, by which integer we will show the amount deposited, and after withdrawal how much money is left, that one also we have to find. So let's start solution. First we will see the given data. Given is here that withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer. Why we have taken negative integer? Because he has taken the money from the bank after depositing. It means, if for example, if you have 10 rupees and after it, if you withdraw, or you take 6 rupees from 10 rupees, so how much money is left? 4. It means the amount is got decrease. So that's why we are using here negative number, means by negative integer. So directly we can see that the deposit of amount to the account is represented by positive integer. Deposit means if we deposit any amount, so the amount will get increase. So increase means positive only. So if we take withdrawal as negative integer, then deposit will take it as positive integer. Now from the question, total amount deposited in his bank account by the Sohan. How much money is deposited? Rupees 3000, and it is denoted by positive. We can write it as plus 3000 or simply 3000. Total amount withdrawn from the bank account by the Sohan. How much money he has withdrawn? Rupees 1355, and we have seen that they have already given that we have to represent it by negative integer. So minus rupees 1355. Now we have to find the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal. After he taken the money from the deposited money, how much money is left with him? So how to find balance in Sohan's account after the withdrawal? We will see the total amount. Total amount deposited plus amount how much he has taken or withdrawal. Amount deposited is rupees 3000 plus withdrawn is rupees minus rupees 1355. So rupees 3000. We know that plus into minus minus rupees 1355. So directly we have to minus here. So we will get the answer rupees 1645. So hence the balance in Mohan's account after the withdrawal is rupees 1645. So we can see that if out of 3000 he has taken or he has withdrawn rupees 1355, so the left money is rupees 1645. Now question number 5. Ashish goes 30 km towards east from a point A to the point B. From B, he moves 45 km towards west along the same road. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? By which integer will you represent his final position from A? So first we will make the figure according to the question. Here you can see that Ashish goes 30 km towards east from a point A to the point B. So first we'll mark east or west. If this is west direction, it will be east direction because they are opposite to each other. Now we have to mark point A and point B. So here we have marked point A and here B. So according to the question, Ashish goes 30 km towards east from a point A to point B. So where is east? In this direction, from point A to B. How much kilometer he goes? 30 kilometers. So from A to B, distance is 30 kilometer. She moves, or he moves from B, he moves 45 kilometer towards west along the same road. Along the same road means with this way only, from B towards A. How much kilometer he goes towards west? 45 kilometers. So from B to west, the distance will be 45 kilometer. If the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, east is given as positive. So how will you represent the distance traveled towards west? If east we are taking as positive, so directly we can say that the west direction will be negative because it is opposite to east direction. So by which integer will you represent her final position from A? Now we have to find her final position from A till west. Means this much we have to find. This one. From A to west we have to find the position or the distance how much he has covered. So from the question it is given that a positive integer represents the direction towards the east. It is already given in the question. Then distance traveled toward the west will be represented by a negative integer. If we have taken positive for east direction, so for west we will take it as negative integer. So Ashish travels a distance in east direction. How much it is given in east direction? 30 kilometer plus 30 kilometer. Ashish travels a distance in west direction. West means in opposite direction, means in minus direction. And how much kilometer? 45 kilometer. So we'll write it as minus 45 kilometer. So distance traveled from A. Distance traveled by Ashish from A to west. We have to find this. So how can we find? 30 plus minus 45. Why we have written in bracket? Because it is given in minus sign. So 30 plus into minus, minus 30 minus 45. Again plus minus, minus. So 45 minus 30, 15. And we have to put the sign according to the bigger number. And bigger number sign is of minus. So minus 15 kilometer. Here we have to find the distance from A to west. Here we can see from the map also that from B to west it is 45 kilometer and from A to B 30 kilometer. So the left distance will be how much? 45 minus 30, 15. And it is in which direction? Towards west direction. So hence we will represent the distance traveled by Ashish from point A by a negative integer, that is minus 15 kilometer. And here negative minus sign represent that he traveled in west direction. I hope you have understood this question. Now next question, question number 6. Verify A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B for the following values of A and B. Here A and B values are given and we have to verify that whether these two are equal or not. So A is 32, B is 18. First we will see the left hand side value, then right hand side value one by one. So let us see from the question. A is equal to 32 and B is equal to 18. And what we have to do? We have to verify. Verify means whether these two are equal or not. So A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. So let us take left hand side. First we will see this one is left hand side and it is right hand side. So we will see left hand side. Left hand side is given as A minus of minus B. A value is 32. Now we will put the values of A and B. A is 32 minus of minus B. So minus 18. So 32. We know that minus into minus plus. So 32 plus 18 is equal to 15. Now we'll see for right hand side. Now right hand side RH is given how much? A plus B. We know that A is 32 plus B is 18. So 32 plus 18 is equal to 15. Now we'll compare both the sides. So by comparing LHS and RHS value, we can see that LHS is equal to RHS or 50 is equal to 15. Hence the value of A and B is verified. Means we have verified the given equation. A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. Now question number 2. A is equal to 275, B is equal to 112. Same as the first question. From the question we know that A is 275 and B is 112. And what we have to verify that a minus or minus b is equal to a plus b. So this one is left hand side, it is right hand side. So left hand side is given as a minus of minus b. So we'll put the values 275 minus bracket minus of 112. Again we know that minus into minus plus. So 275 plus 112 which is equal to 387. Now we'll see for right hand side. Right hand side is a plus b. So directly we have to put the values 275 plus 112 which is equal to 387. Again we will compare both the sides, left hand side and right hand side, and we know that left hand side is equal to right hand side. So 387 is equal to 387, hence the value of a and b is verified. Same for question number 3, it will be same as question number 1 and 2. Now question number 4, a is equal to 195, b is equal to 27. This one you have to solve as question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and it's your homework. Now question number 7, use the sign of less than or greater than or equal in the box to make the statement true. Here we have to use this 3 sign which is appropriate. So first we will solve this, the two parts, left hand side and right hand side part. First one, minus 7 plus minus 4 minus 7 minus of minus 4. So first we will see the left hand side. So let us take left hand side which is given as minus 7 plus minus 4. So first we will open the bracket. Minus 7 plus minus, plus into minus, minus 4. And we know that minus minus plus. So 7 plus 4, 11, and sign will be of minus. So this is the value of left hand side. Now we'll find the value of right hand side, and right hand side is given as minus 7 minus of minus 4. Again we'll open the bracket. So minus 7 minus into minus plus 4, and we know that minus plus minus, it means 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, 3. So minus plus minus, it means you have to subtract 4 from 7. So 7 minus 4, 3, and sign will be according to the bigger number. And what is this bigger number is 7, and its sign is of minus. So answer will be minus 3. Then we will see. Now we have to we have taken the value of left hand side and right hand side. Now we'll compare the value of left hand side and right hand side. So we got the answer of left hand side is minus 11, and minus 3 is the value of right hand side. So we know that minus 11 and minus 3, out of minus 11 and minus 3, which is the greater number here? Minus 3. So right hand side is greater than left hand side. So minus 7 plus minus 4 is less than minus 7 minus of minus 4. Same here, second one. Now 3 numbers are given, minus 5 plus 8 minus 19, bracket 17 minus 8 plus minus 9. Again we'll take the left hand side, and left hand side is given as minus 5 plus 8 minus 19. So first step is to remove the bracket. So minus 5 plus 8 minus 19. We will solve by taking the pair. First we can solve minus 5 and 8. First we will solve this two number. So minus 5 plus 8 means minus plus minus. So 8 minus 5, 3, and sign will be according to the bigger number, and here bigger number is 8 and its sign is of plus. So answer will be plus 3. Now I'll write the remaining number. So remaining number is here 19. So 3 minus 19. Again one is given in plus, second one is in minus. So plus minus minus. So 3 minus 19 means 19 minus 3, 16, and sign will be according to the bigger number is 19. So sign will be of minus. So answer will be minus 16. This is the value of left hand side. Now we have to find the value of right hand side. Right hand side is 17 minus 8 plus minus 9. So 17 minus 8 plus minus 9. First we will open the bracket. 17 minus 8 plus into minus, minus 9. Again we will solve two numbers first. So 17, any two numbers we can take. Here we have taken this two, last two. So minus 8, minus 9. Minus minus plus. So 17 as it is we have to write. Minus minus plus means 8 plus 9, 17, and sign will be of minus. So 17 minus 17, 0. Now we will compare the value of LHS and RHS. So LHS value is minus 16 and RHS value is 0. And we know that out of minus 16 and 0, which one is greater number here? 0. Because positive numbers are always greater than negative number. So 5 plus 8 minus of 19 is less than 17 minus 8 plus of minus 9. Now let's see to the next question. 13 minus 31 plus 11. 13 minus 31 minus 11. Same again we'll take left hand side, and left hand side is given as 13 minus 31 plus 11. First we will see these two numbers, 13 minus 31. So plus minus minus, it means we have to subtract 13 from 31. So 31 minus 13, 18, and sign will be of minus because 31 is a greater number. So minus 18 plus 11. Again minus plus minus. So 18 minus 11, 7, and sign is of minus as 13 is a bigger number. Now we will take right hand side. Right hand side is given as 13 minus 31 minus 11. Again we will take these two pairs of numbers, 13 minus 31. So it will come as minus 18 and minus 11 as remaining number. And we know that minus minus plus. So 18 and 11, 18 plus 11, 29, and sign will be of minus. Now we got the value of LHS and RHS. Now we'll compare it. So LHS is minus 7 and RHS is 29. And we know that in negative numbers, the smallest number is always greater than bigger number. So minus 7 is greater than minus 29, or we can say that the value of LHS is greater than RHS. So 13 minus 31 plus 11 is greater than 13 minus 31 minus 11. Question number 4. 49 plus minus 24 minus of 15 and 36 plus minus 52 minus of 36. So let us start from LHS. Left hand side. Left hand side is given as 39. Sorry, it is as 39. So 39 plus minus 24 minus 15. So first step is to open the bracket. So 39 plus into minus 24 minus 15. Again we will solve this two. Any two numbers you can solve first. Answer will come same only. So here we have written first number as it is, so 39 minus 24 minus 15. We know that minus plus. So 24 plus 15, 39, and sign will be of minus. So 39 minus 39, 0. Now we'll see the right hand side. Right hand side is 36 plus minus 52 minus of 30. Decimal part we have to take, minus 36. So first step is to open the bracket. 36 plus into minus 52 and minus into minus plus. So plus 36. Now first we can see that here any out of three numbers, first we can solve any two number. So we have done here 36 plus, first we have taken this 2. So 36 plus 36, 72, and minus 52. So 72 minus 52, which is equal to 20. So this is the value of right hand side. Now next step is to compare the values. So left hand side is 0 and right hand side is 20. So 0 is less than 20. So 39 plus minus of 24 minus 15 is less than 36 plus of minus 52 minus and minus of 36. Then last one, minus 231 plus 79 plus 51 and minus 399 plus 159 plus 81. This one question also you have to solve as the previous questions. So this one, it's your homework. You have to do it by yourself. So we will see the next question on the next day of our class.